Have you used Kayak Trip Planner? In order to use Kayak Trip Planner, forward your booking confirmation email. So basically, Kayak Trip Planner calls trips, helps you organize all your travel itineraries in one place and provide real-time update. You can use it before booking to organize ideas or after booking to manage confirm plans as well. So you could forward the booking confirmation, flight, hotels, rental car activities from your email to trip@kayak.com, and Kayak automatically creates a master itinerary. So what you want to do is you can connect your email account directly to your Kayak account for automatic import of all your booking confirmation as well. So you could go to the trip section and then you could go ahead and click on forward from email or forward to email, and then this is where you could forward. And once the flight is added, you'll receive important notification about check-in reminders, flight delays, cancellation, and gate terminal change via emails or app as well. And then you want to access your travel plans and confirmation number even without an internet connection via the mobile app. You could also share and collaborations. You could calendar sync or trip state, driving directions, all that stuff. And this is how you could use Kayak Trip Planner. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.